Yo, what's going on, y'all? YouTube, what's going on with y'all? I feel like I ain't seen y'all in a minute. I hope you guys are all having a great day today, because mine has been okay, so I hope yours is doing great. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, man, let's get into today. So, if you don't know, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at D_superior. On there I made a post showing the package that we got in for the 350Z probably about a day ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we got. Little package from KBD. You know, this little unboxing for you guys real quick. KBD. So, this is what we got from KBD. We'll go ahead and show you guys what's in here. If I can. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, y'all. It really is. Ew. Hold up. Ew. Ew. There we go. What we have here, y'all, got a duckbill for the 350. Yep. Appreciate you, KBD. Looks like it needs to get rinsed off. Seems like good poly though. You know, rinse it off. I don't know, slap it on the car. So that's what I got for the 350. I'm not really big on aesthetics, but you know, the Z's been looking the same way for quite a while. So you know, let's switch it up a little bit, add a few things on it. You know, I thought it would be some good video content for somebody who wants to know how to do it. It'll be my first time doing it, so you know, you can follow along in this journey and this experience doing this. Yeah, as much as I want to do it, I'm not too happy about doing work, but you know, you gotta get it done, gotta do it. So anyways, let's get into this, man. Let's see if we can get this thing installed. I know there's a few things you gotta unbolt and take off trimming, all that garbage. Anyway, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I mean, when I first took it out the box, it looked cool, but I don't know, man. Like, we'll see if I decide to paint it. For sure, it needs to be washed up and aligned right, but we'll see. Right now, it's not looking too hot, but we gonna see once we get it together. I'll let you guys know again, you know, what my after final thoughts are, but as of right now, I'm a little scared, y'all. I can't even lie. It's not exactly what I pictured. It's not aligning exactly how I thought, but I still think it has the potential to look all right. So yeah, let's get this thing started. Alright, y'all, so you see that I just ooh, that's close. So you guys seen I just had washed it off and cleaned it up. I actually went over to the car and cleaned off the little back part where I took off the old spoiler and cleaned that up, so it's all dry and it'll make the adhesive stick. And what we're gonna use, because I'm not gonna hard chassis mount it or like drill holes or anything. So I seen a lot of people using 3M tape. I went to Walmart, I didn't see that, so I'm gonna use this right here, little Gorilla mounting tape. Says it holds up to 30 pounds, so you know it should do the job. So yeah, let's get into it. We're just gonna go ahead and get the tape mounted onto the wing. That way we can get over to the car and try to get this thing installed. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I just came back from Walmart. Yo, that Gorilla tape I told you guys about, yeah, don't get it. I went to AutoZone and I had got this stuff right here, this 3M auto strength molding tape. This is the stuff you need to get right here. This is the bread and butter right here. Get this stuff. Don't get the other stuff I was talking about. I went and returned that, man. It literally was worse than regular tape. So yeah, get this stuff right here. I'm back at it again, man. Look, I'm so very sorry. I'm so very sorry. The camera I was using, it died while I was filming the whole thing, and then it got dark and I finished it up and I was like, ah, damn, okay, I lost all the footage. But I do want to show you guys the finished project. Can't even talk. The finished product, and tell you a little bit about the process and everything and how it went and my thoughts on the finished product. So let's go look at the car right now. So here is the wing. It's cool, it's subtle. So right here you can see there's like blue from where I took the old wing off. I guess this car was blue before it got painted. Didn't know that now. But yeah, so that was something to figure out. So it's just gonna be like this until I get this car wrapped or painted or whatever. And then so that tape I told you guys about, dude, it sucks. Like there's, I don't know if you can see it on camera that well, but there's like right where it's lining up, there's a massive gap. You can't really see it on camera, but there is a massive gap. Super annoying. It is held down with tape, but that tape, y'all, I don't know if I didn't use it right or prep properly, but that stuff sucks. So I used a couple self-tapping screws, put one there, one there, you get the picture, one here and another one at the top. So I mean, it's securely on there now. It's not gonna move around at all. I can sit on it and do all that and it won't do anything. Yeah, I mean, it's it's not bad. I actually like the look. I feel like with a wrap, maybe even molding it into the trunk, I think it'll look really good. It still looks good, but you know. But yeah, y'all, this is the full product of it. It does look good though, don't get me wrong, especially when you're like further away. Looks really, it looks solid. So yeah, y'all, that is how to install the duckbill. I forgot, so that piece that I had took off when I was taking it off, there's like 2 screws that you have to take off. I think they're 10 millimeters, and you just start prying that stuff off and the wing comes up and all that comes out. I mean, it's real self-explanatory, but yeah, man, that's the finished product of it. It's cool. I definitely like it. Definitely adds a lot more to the car for sure. A lot more to the car. Definitely think we can add some more pieces onto the car and make it look a little bit better. But yeah, man, that's installing the duckbill, my little version of it. It was cool. It wasn't a bad install. Definitely think I could have put probably a lot more prep work into it, but send it. It still looks great. I think it'll look better once I have everything I need for it. Then I can get it painted or wrapped or whatever. It'll be solid then. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Any comments you guys have for me, any thoughts about the car or whatever, anything else you guys want to see me do, let me know. Go ahead and throw it in the comments. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope your day is going well. And yeah, man, catch you in the next one. Peace.